2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. This truck offers a full-size interior while delivering on versatility. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, four-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, dual rear wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. This is a top-rated dealer. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.